I'm guided with the standing order 1964. If you have anyone which we can use, you can read us now. I want to be very fair and neutral. Give me one. Or
you have raised a very good question. I want you to read the Constitution
because that is the supreme law in terms of voting. How do you vote? Read the Constitution. It is superior than the standing orders. Read the Constitution and any other law. Read the Constitution. Order. I'll be able to give the our friend Katel answer. That is electoral laws. We are in committee advised by the standing orders.
Yes, you and others.
Read us the
if you are not voting, don't write anything. Just put dash. Put big dash if you are not voting.
We have to vote by secret ballot. You are not a member of
This committee is
no, we shall vote by secret ballot.
You are not a member of this committee.
Chair. Honorable Sosion have abstained from voting. Go to the next member.
I have not abstained. No, Sangok, stop heckling. I will vote by secret ballot. I'm here to vote.
We don't have
Give me the ballot
chair.
paper and I will vote. Give me the ballot paper. I will vote.